Hi friends, I'm Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer. Today I'm doing a 5-minute core workout. Let's get right into it. Lay on your back, feet on the floor, hands behind your head. We're starting with crunches. When I'm doing this, I'm focusing on bringing my chest straight up towards the ceiling. I'm trying to lift my shoulders up off the floor as opposed to letting my neck crunch in towards my chest. We're almost there, and then we're gonna transition into bicycles. Couple more, don't forget to breathe. Good, bring one knee up, one knee out. We lift elbow to opposite knee, switch, switch, switch. Keep going at that tempo. I really like doing 5-minute workouts for myself, also for my clients. It's one way that makes fitness accessible to people. Let them fit fitness into their day. One more, legs come straight up towards the ceiling. We're doing leg lifts, bringing the legs as close to the floor as possible, and then lifting them back up. And I'm keeping my lower back suctioned onto the floor. If this is too difficult, you can do one leg at a time, that's fine. Make it work for you. Abs are definitely working right now. In a few seconds, we're gonna roll onto our side into oblique V-ups. Last leg lift here. Good, roll onto your side. Low arm stays on the floor, elbow helps to lift us. So harder version is keeping these legs straight. Easier version is bending them so you can touch your legs. We're gonna do both sides. Make sure you're using this front elbow to help you get up off the floor. One more and then we roll over. Good, switch to the other side. I promise you, we are keeping this down to 5 minutes. And up we go. Trying to keep the legs together. If that's hard for you, maybe use a prop like a yoga block, squeezing it between your legs. That's a nice tool to help you maintain that form. Give me a couple more here and then we're gonna come into a side plank. One more. And then bring that elbow directly underneath your shoulder. Straight legs, lift up into a side plank. We drop the hip down and back up. If this is too hard, you can bend the knees. You can do this in a side knee plank, that's fine with me. Give me one more and then we're gonna switch sides. Good, swing it around or roll over. Elbow underneath your shoulder, we lift up. We are not wasting any time with this 5-minute workout. And I like to work out my core because it helps to manage my back injury, helps keep me strong for my sport. But whatever your goal is in working out your core, I welcome it. I'm glad you're here. All right, onto your back. Bring one knee into your chest. We crunch up towards it. We lay down, switch, crunch. We're bringing that knee in towards our chest and then crunching up to greet it. I want 10 more seconds and then we're coming into our finale, which is just holding a plank. There it is. Roly-poly yourself up, either hands or on forearms. We're up, we're holding it here. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're moving your body. I always feel better after getting a workout in. And I also want my workouts to be enjoyable, so hopefully movement today was enjoyable for you, especially in a small dose like this. Okay, 10 more seconds with me. You're almost there. You're almost through this 5-minute workout. And bring the knees gently down to the floor. You did it, nice work. I'm Natalie Carey. Thanks for being excellent to yourself today. If you liked this workout, please remember to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more 5-minute workouts.